watermelon. Na soon I have flower soon. That one is cucumber. That one is tomato. This one okra. This one eggplant and have lemongrass. I don't know when that I make fruits. Also I have green onion and that one garlic. I wish I have fruit this one. Watermelon. And also the eggplant. The okra. That's the eggplant. Like, subscribe, share, comment, please. Thank you.